What's going on, guys? This is Eddie from the Group B doing a walk around video here on our 1994 Euro E36 M3. We do have a driving video as well, but just wanted to do a walkthrough of the car. This is a Japanese import, finished in Avus blue, slick top, you can see up here, with very minor modifications that, in my opinion, make the car just that much better from stock. We paint meter the whole car. The car has all original paint, which is extremely rare for an E36. No paint work, no body work, and the paint is actually in really good condition. This has not been buffed. We will buff it before delivery. It has the BBS wheels, were just refinished with Advan tires all around. Super clean body lines, all original glass. Car is super nice. Very minor modifications. As mentioned, has the BBS wheels. It has a Super Sprint exhaust with a DTM tip, as you can see there. Really clean. And the best part about it is the emerald interior, which looks fabulous. Manual Vader seats with no rips or tears. It's got the Raid steering wheel, which is also used commonly on the RUF Porsches. Super nice door cards. Back seats. It has, in the back, it has the privacy sunshade, manually controlled. Perfect headliner. Runs beautifully. Do a cold start here as well. 128,000 kilometers. Has a twin disc clutch. That's why you hear that little metal noise when you turn it on. You have the clutch in. AC is ice cold. Has the original radio. The original radio turns on but has some popping noises. No warning lights on the dash. Sounds super nice. Super clean car. Go ahead and open the hood. Hear the motor. Euro S50 motor has 286 horsepower compared to the US motor, which has 240. See all the stickers here. Avus blue. Alright, gonna go ahead and do some driving. Alright, we are doing a driving video here on our 94 Euro Avus blue E36 M3. We're gonna do our usual route. A good mix of city driving, and then we do get on the highway and do a wide open throttle pull. The car currently has 128,000 kilometers. It's fairly stock. It does have a Super Sprint exhaust, just catback. It has a lightweight flywheel clutch, and that's about it. The car does have BBS wheels. Has the factory radio. The factory radio powers on but does have a popping noise, so that's something that needs to get addressed. Also, the Raid SRS steering wheel is the only other mod we have here. We got the car, we did a oil change, and we did new spark plugs, and that's about it. The car didn't really need anything else. AC is ice cold. The heat works as it should. There's no errors or check engine lights of any kind. It is a slick top, so no sunroof. One other option that's pretty cool is it has the sunshade in the back. Right now it's down, but it's a manual pull-up sunshade. It's pretty cool. This is a full M-Rain interior car, so that's door panels and seats are all M-Rain material. No rips or tears in the seats. They are manual seats. So we'll go ahead and get on the highway here in a second. That way you can see the car go through the gears. It's about 100 degrees outside. Temperatures are dead center. We still have the sticker here, the original check engine oil level regularly sticker. This is a Japanese import. You'll see some Japanese writing in the engine bay. We have some Japanese writing on the visor, on the emblems, and this is the Japanese registration for the car when it was in Japan. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do a wide open throttle pull. Just turn the air on so we get maximum power. Has 286 horsepower, would say with the exhaust, maybe it has close to 300, but as you see it pulls really strong all the way through the red line. It doesn't suffer from any overheating or any issues. Shifting is very smooth.